Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So today we're back out at the lake again with our Tobin Sports Costco boat. We've been leaving this thing out on the water. We'll give you some up close shots. This thing is pretty dirty and pretty rough. And you know, that's just part of the testing that we do to these inflatable boats, just to see how long they can last. And we're gonna clean it up today and see if we can get her to look like brand new. Today we will be cleaning our inflatable boat with Mold Armor, Mold and Mildew Killer plus Quick Stain Remover. We picked this up at Ace Hardware. It seemed to be the only place that carried it. And compared to other marine specific cleaners like the Starbright Ultimate Vinyl Cleaner, the Starbright Rib and Inflatable Cleaner and UV Protector, and also Sea Power Marine Inflatable Boat Cleaner and Preserver. We have tested all these throughout the many years we've been doing this and recently found the Mold Armor, and it seems to work the best. I'm sure some of you may have some strong opinions about using non-marine chemicals on your inflatable boats, but as part of the testing these out and seeing how they hold up is just using the chemicals that clean the best. And our other boats seem to hold up, but if this does happen to destroy the boat or cause any gumming on the vinyl, we will let you know. As you can see, the bottom of the boat is pretty dirty. We've left this out on the lake for 6 months, and there's a lot of organic growth, and the lake is muddy, so we got some mud stains as well. So we spray the Mold Armor on and we let it set up and penetrate. Give her a good brushing and rinse it off. Now that I have the bottom of the boat cleaned, I am going to be pulling out the inflatable floor so that we can clean the floor top and bottom and also get underneath the actual air floor. Look at that dirt just melt away. Funny, you can tell we washed a lot of round objects because of our brush. Oh, yes. Good that looks. So I will say, when cleaning the air floor, because if you can see all these little dots and dimples here, because of the construction and the structure that it must have, this mold armor does wonderful for getting all the dirt out of the little dimples. Back in the summer, last year, I was literally on my hands and knees with bleach trying to do this. Now you just put the mold armor on and brush it a little bit. Not heavy brushing. This is a pretty soft brush. And you do that brushing around, and for once, I think it might actually be pulling some of this brown off. That's where our feet typically sit when we're riding a boat. This one seems to be coming out. This one not so much, but some of these stains I haven't seen off of this thing since we got it, and since we put the stains on it. See if we can give her a little harder swirl, see if it'll come out. Nah, it looked like it was coming off earlier, but let me tell you. I think that's about all she wrote on that one. Let's give her a spray off and see what she looks like. Voila! Other than where our feet sit and made scuffs, I believe everything else came pretty clean. Alright, so you see it that side? I mean, this one almost came off. We usually wipe it down with protectant after we're done cleaning it, but as you can tell, we're losing daylight, so this was just the quick one. If you like this video, subscribe and follow some more and see if it damages the boat. We usually do a rub down. A rub down. Alright.